Hi guys, you got to know by seeing the thumbnail. So now today I will show you the Google campus. That's the largest Google office outside the US, and this is the first time in Hyderabad. So this is now I'm going towards Wipro circle, and this is Tech City. All big companies are here, and I will show you how big companies are there. So this is called Wipro. This is a DLF mall. I'm going to Wipro circle from DLF mall. So the roads are very clean and very basically not branches. These are main campus. So this is, you can see the Microsoft right side here. Microsoft, okay, Microsoft company. This is the owner, Bill Gates. A huge big campus. Mostly those who are graduated from high-tech universities, you can take a look. This is winter time, so the fogs are not clear much. The reason it looks like this. This is parking area of Microsoft. Still we are covering Microsoft. On the left side you can see the Wipro. Wipro also one of the biggest tech companies, and I am from the first company I work in, Wipro. So this is Wipro. You can see the main. This is, I think, gate number 3. And Wipro, this is main campus. Now this building, right side building, Phoenix, it has been set up later. There are many tech companies are settled inside there. And this is called Wipro Circle. Left, take left. And from the in front there is ICICI Bank, that is also main campus. And now I am heading towards left. It will show you some other companies, big companies like Amazon, and even also Google also there. You can't imagine now how Hyderabad is far from other states. This is the second gate number of Wipro. And now we are going towards imagine, like, this is Hyderabad. You can think for a while. This is like a foreign city, maybe Hong Kong or Bangkok, something like that. स्ट्रेट चलो भैया स्ट्रेट. Software field, if you're from software field, I will show you the one of the building that is Google building. So there is, you can see the Google building, that's construction is going right side. Right side take see the road. cricket, badminton.